Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to launch or create and connect AWS EC2 instance for Windows Server 2019. Okay, so first connect to AWS Management Console, then click on this services, then click on compute. See here we have the EC2. We have to click on it or go to this search box, then search for EC2. See here we have the EC2. Click on it. See here I don't have instances running at present. Okay, so click on instances or launch instance. Both are same. Even if you go to instances, see here we have the launch instance option. Click on it. Then provide the name. Okay, this is just name and tag. Okay, then select the Windows. Then see here we have the latest version 2025, but select Windows Server 2019. It is free tier eligible. Okay, so select it. Wait a moment. See, once you selected it, populated the architecture, AMID, published date, and username. This is a username. Later we need this username to connect to this AWS EC2 instance for Windows Server 2019, and it is data center edition. If you select core edition, see it is data center core edition. Okay, so I'm going to select only base. Okay, language is English. Okay, next select the instance type. See, T2 micro is the free tier eligible. Okay, if you want other options like more CPUs on memory, you have to select this one. But based on the instance type, charges will be different. Okay, but for this demo purpose, I am going with free tier eligible. Then key pair. See, key pair. You can use a key pair to securely connect to your instance. Ensure that you have access to selected key pair before you launch the instance. So I am going to create new key pair. Click on create key pair because see I don't have any key pairs. So click on create new key pair. Then give the name. Then select key pair type as RSA and .fm file. Once you click on this create key pair, it will download the .fm file. Click on it. See, downloaded the .fm file. Now networking. See, I am going to create EC2 instance in US East 1 region. But if you want some other, you have to select it. Okay. Then networking. See, it has not populated any information. Then click on edit. Then also see here we don't have any options. Even if you reload, there are any VPCs in this region, it will populate here. So I don't have anything. So I'm going to create new VPC in this region. So search for VPC. Right click, open link in new tab. Go to this tab. See, I don't have any VPC in this region. That is US East 1. Or you can also see here. See, US East 1. Okay. So create VPC. I'm not going to change anything. I'm going with all defaults. Then click on create VPC. See, VPC is created. Now go to this launch instance. Let's click on some other place. Then reload this one. See, we have the one VPC. Then subnet. Still it is not showing. Click on refresh. See, we have these options. Okay, I'm going with public option. Then auto ISM public IP, I'm going to enable it. Firewall or security groups. So if you want to create new security group for this EC2 instances, you have to select create security group. Or if you want to use the existing one, see here we have the only one that is default. So I'm going to create new security group. Win EC2. Name can be anything. Then I'm not going to provide description. Next, inbound security group rules. See, by default for Windows, this TCP port 3389 is added and source type anywhere. But if you want only custom or my IP or that means your IP or custom means we have to provide the range here. Okay, CIDR range. I'm going to select anywhere. Then advanced network configuration I'm not going to configure. Then configure storage. See, by default 30 GB is free for free tier eligible customers. See here, free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose or magnetic storage. See, here we have these options. If you want to add additional volume, you have to click on add new volume. For this demo purpose, I am going with this 30 gigabytes. Then advanced details, scroll down. If you have domain, then select the domain. See, it is not showing. I don't have. If you want to create new directory, you have to click on it. IAM profile and all. I'm not going to select anyone, or I don't want to create. If you have existing, you can select. Then host name, DNS name, enable this one. Then remaining options I am not going to configure. If you want to configure any one of them as per your requirement, you can configure. Then user data. If you want to provide any user data, you can provide here, or if you want to upload that file, you can click on upload. Okay. If you review these settings one more time, if you are okay with all the settings, then come to this summary. See here, number of instances one, software image, that is AMI, Microsoft Windows Server 2019. This is the instance type or virtual server type, firewall or security group. Then storage. Okay. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on launch instance. See, launching instance, go to details. See, successfully initiated launch of instance. Then click on this identifier. See, instance state is pending. Wait until the state to be changed to running. Reload this one. Okay. See, instance type is T2 micro, public PV4 DNS, public IP, and monitoring disabled, security group name, key name or key pair name. Refresh. See, instance state changed to running. So click on this instance ID. Then see here the default values. See here the instance summary. Instance ID, public IPv4 address, public IP, private IP, private IP, DNS, public IP, DNS, elastic IP addresses we haven't configured, VPC ID, subnet, and see here we have other options like AMA name, AMA ID, and other information. This is my AWS account ID. Okay, so go up. See here we have three options: connect, instance state, and actions. We will come to this section later. We will see now connect. Click on connect. See here we have the three options: session manager, RDP client, and EC2 serial console. I am going to connect by using RDP client. Click on it, and see here we have the two options: by downloading this remote desktop file or by using this public DNS. And username is administrator. Okay, and password we have to click on get password. We will come to this. Then first we will connect by using this RDP file. So click on download remote desktop file. See, downloaded. Now click on this .rdp file. Then click on connect. Now we have to provide the administrator password. Okay, click on get password. Now we have to upload the downloaded PEM file. Click on upload private key file. Then select the PEM file, click on open. Okay, now click on this decrypt password. Scroll down, it is success. This is the password. This is not same for you. Okay, now go to this RDP, paste it, click on OK. Click on yes. See, you have successfully connected. See, you got the Windows Server 2019 EC2 instance. And see here, this is the host name. This is the instance ID, public IP, private IP, instance size, availability zone, and other information. Okay, this is the memory. Now open folders. Also open WinRun. Then type WinVer. Hit enter. See, we have connected to AWS EC2 instance Windows Server 2019. Okay, now click on this PC. Right click on it. Properties. This is a processor information. This is a computer name. This and this both are same. Work group. Okay, product ID and other information. Let me close this one. Now log off. Windows run or open command prompt or terminal. Then type log off. See, successfully logged off. The second method is copy this public DNS name. Just copy it or click on this copy button. Then go to Windows run ms tsc. Hit enter. Paste that public IP, that is public DNS name. Hit enter. Then provide the password. See, this is the password. Paste it. Done. OK. Click on yes. See, you have successfully connected. Windows Server 2019 AWS EC2 instance. Okay, log off again. Then instance, state, stop instance, reboot instance or terminate instance. If you are not using, click on stop instance. If you want to reboot the instance, you have to click on here. If you want to terminate, which means you are permanently deleting this AWS EC2 instance for Windows Server 2019. Okay, I strongly recommend, if you are not using, delete it, because charges are based on the usage. Then actions, if you want to modify any one of this EC2 instance settings, see here, instance settings, networking, security, and there are others. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to launch and connect Windows Server 2019 AWS EC2 instance. Okay, for more AWS or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.